जय श्रीमन्नारायण. श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता सेकंड चैप्टर सांख्य योगम 17th श्लोक. श्री कृष्ण परमात्मा through Arjuna addressing each and every one of us. Now whenever Krishna Paramatma says you, me, your, something like that, let us apply those terms to ourselves. That means Atma, not to the body. Let us try to get those addressings to ourselves, that is Atma. Now Krishna Paramatma saying that you are very, very tiniest one in this entire creation. That is why you cannot be destroyed by anything. If anything has to destroy something, that has to be inserted, that has to go inside of that entity. But here when I look at you, you are the most tiniest form in this entire creation. There is no tinier than you. So nothing can go inside. If there is no way anything can go inside of you, how can anything can destroy you? But you are able to go and pervade through each and every object in this entire creation. Such is your form. That is why you can never be destroyed. You can never be killed by any poison or any weapon or any astram. This is what Krishna Paramatma teaching to each and every one of us. Now while having this great teaching strongly running in our thoughts, let us now repeat the sloka. Avinasitu tadvidhi येन सर्वं इदं ततं विनाशम् अव्ययस्यास्य न कश्चित् कर्तुमर्हति. Om. Whatever we listen, usually we have to be practicing that what we listen. But here Krishna Paramatma himself is teaching, so we must practice this. How can we practice this teaching? In our day-to-day life, whenever anyone addresses us, then let us direct that addressing to ourselves, that is Atma. Like that every day we can constantly remember ourselves, that is what is Atma Dhyanam. Let us immediately start practicing this. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, from 18th chapter, from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, if you do this, as you are indestructible, but you are getting into these destructible bodies. So if you do what I say, I would make sure that you are not going to be entering these kind of destructible bodies anymore. That is what Krishna Paramatma saying and asking us to do the following. Always think about me. Keep on inculcating love towards me. Dedicate all your actions to me. And keep thinking that you are my belonging. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Do not cry. Keep reading at least one Gita sloka every day. Keep spreading Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees, because I gave this Gita Amrutam for everyone's sake. Then you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from the cycle of this birth and death. Now let us give a word to Sri Krishna Paramatma with all of our sincerity. O Sriman Narayana, I shall definitely remember myself every day. That is what Atma. I shall do Atma Dhyanam, and whoever calls me, whoever addresses me, I will start directing those addressings to myself. That is Atma. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on inculcating love and devotion towards you. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on dedicating all my actions to you, and I shall do all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on thinking that I am your belonging. O Sriman Narayana, I surrender to you unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Sriman Narayana, I shall read at least one Gita sloka every day. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on spreading this Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. For that, O Sriman Narayana, I am now going to forward this video to as many people as I can in every possible way. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say, I shall behave as you wish. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad-Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam Sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Suka Maharshi. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhu tam sarva bhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Sriman Narayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naranchaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. After Suta Maharshi disclosed all these things to Saunaka and other rishis, Saunaka Maharshi is now asking a question to Suta Mahamuni, saying that, O Suta Mahamune, after this Asvathama shooted Brahmasirshna Vurutejasa Brahmastram, that Brahmastram went and destroyed Uttara's pregnancy. But Isena, with the blessing of, with the anugraham of Sri Krishna Paramatma, Ajivitaha, that pregnant got survived, that child got survived. Now, we would like to know about that particular child, Parikshin Maharaju. We heard that he is very, very smart and very intellectual, very enlightened. How did he got survived? And again, how did he departed? Pretya Gatavan Yadha. We would also like to know how did that Parikshin Maharaju, after he departed from his body, what happened to him? Where did he go? Tadidam Srotumichamo. O Suta Mahamune, we all would like to hear all those details. Can you please disclose all those details? Like that, Saunaka asked Suta Mahamuni. Then Saunaka also mentioning to Suta Mahamuni, O Suta Mahamune, how did it happen that Sri Suka Maharshi taught Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshit? We would like to know about all those things. Then Suta Mahamuni saying to Saunaka and other rishis, O Maharshis, see, after all these things happened, Dharmaraju started ruling his kingdom. He has started ruling his kingdom like Pitruvat Ranjayan Prajaha. He started taking care of all the people just like as and how a father takes care of the children. He is doing like that. Dharmaraju started leading his life very righteously. Nispruhaha sarvakamebhyaha. Even though he is in the middle of all the pleasures, but he completely renunciated that with his mind, because his mind is occupied with Krishna Padanu Sevaya. Eternally, all the time, constantly, continuously, his mind started thinking about Sri Krishna Divya Charanaravindas. That is why he did not pay more attention. He did not consciously enjoy anything in that world. As and how, when someone is feeling hungry, no matter whatever you bring, he would not feel happy unless you feed him. That is how Dharmaraju's mind is craving for Krishna Paramatma. That is what is the hunger in his mind. Then that is why all the time Dharmaraju is thinking about Krishna, but not at all enjoying, not at all feeling so happy, not at all feeling so satisfied about all the pleasures that are there around him. That is why Dharmaraju's fame has spreaded all over the worlds. And whatever the Dharmaraju has, that wealth and great fame, even those who are there in heaven also started feeling that, oh, why shouldn't we get that kind of fame? Why shouldn't we get that kind of wealth? To that extent, even people who are there in heaven also started feeling like that after seeing Dharmaraju's status. Because all this happened because of Dharmaraju's complete attention towards Mukunda Manasaha. So, this is how the Dharmaraju started ruling the kingdom, leading the life. And now, when we look into this Uttara's pregnancy, what is happening is, because of that Brahmastram of Aswathama, this Uttara Garbham, the pregnancy started completely getting burnt with the tejas of, with the power of that Brahmastram. At that time, the child who is there, Dakhyamanaha, almost about to be completely burnt out, that child, Dadarsa Purusham, he started noticing someone there along with him in the same garbham, in the same stomach. He started observing someone going around him. That child started observing and noticing. What is that? We will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marasatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 2nd chapter, 17th sloka. Avinasitu tadvidhi yena sarvam idam tatam vinasam avyayasya nakaschit kartumarhati. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु। जय श्रीमन्नारायण।